in the Chinese vision and Xi's vision in particular, it's he wants to reconstitute the Chinese homeland, if you will, and that includes Hong Kong, and it includes Taiwan, and certainly if you look throughout history, there have been times when Taiwan has been its own entity, its own nation or nation state, or not part of the Chinese empire, and there have been times when it has been part of the Chinese empire. After the Communist Revolution in 1949, Chiang Kai-shek and the Kuomintang moved to Taiwan, and the United States, wanted to support an alternative to the communist regime in China, and Taiwan was a way to do it. Although it was a dictatorship for many years, it later became a democracy, and the U.S. put a lot of investment and attention into building up Taiwan as a potential alternative to the communist regime, and also for the rights and privileges of the people in Taiwan who had sought to escape from communist China.